I would like to begin this module by telling you a story, which once again does have a moral to it. Something that will help you a lot in the future. Many hundreds of years ago, a very prosperous rice-growing area in the north of India had an arrival of some very unwelcome visitors. Rats. These rats were absolutely everywhere, in houses, in shops, and regrettably in the warehouses that stored the rice. The entire region was on the brink of collapse. Desperate, the Maharaja made a bold offer: rid the land of rats and ask for any reward you wish. Dreamers lined up. Some wanted gold, others the king's daughter, but every plan failed. Then came Ramu, a quiet man few noticed. Without fuss, he walked into the palace carrying a large bag filled with pink candy-like balls. Skeptical but out of options, the Maharaja agreed to try Ramu's idea. These sweets were placed all over town, and the rats couldn't resist. One bite, and they were gone. In just 7 days, the town was free of rats, a miracle. Ramu was called back to claim his reward. The king offered treasure chests of jewelry, piles of gold coins, anything. But Ramu said, "All I ask is this: deliver 1 grain of rice to my house tomorrow, then double it every day for 1 year." The court laughed. Just rice? The king even warned him, "This is your last chance to change your mind." Ramu nodded. "I'm sure." Day 1, 1 grain. Day 2, 2 grains. Day 3, 4 grains. Day 4, 8 grains. By day 10, over 500 grains. By day 20, over 500,000. By day 31, over 1 billion grains of rice. The king's treasure couldn't keep up. Before long, Ramu owned all the rice in the land. He didn't just get a reward, he became the king of rice. Moral of the story: big rewards come from small, consistent gains. Ramu didn't chase treasure, he understood the power of compounding. Just like in trading or business, start small, stay smart, and scale slowly. That's the secret to building real wealth. The FXProfitBuilder strategy follows the principle of banking small gains daily and compounding your profits. Just like the king of rice.